Yeah, so I was just looking at your YouTube videos about like adult marketing, and I'm sorta in that field.
Okay,
I
cool.
do I do premium Snap with my girl, and I manage OnlyFans. So
Nice.
I'm just wondering if I could translate what you're doing into, like, if it could benefit what I'm doing right now, or if I could do what you're doing
Yeah,
to
sure.
earn
Yeah.
income, you know. Um, yeah, I know a little about affiliate marketing. I just wanted to maybe get more into it.
Okay, bet. So
How it all works.
basically, you have one OnlyFans, right? You're not an agency, or are you an agency for OnlyFans?
Well, I'm gonna do OnlyFans soon. With my girl, we're just doing a premium right now,
Okay.
but I have like all the tools to manage manage OnlyFans and whatnot.
Okay. Okay, bet. Yeah, that's lit. So, you're just getting traffic from Snapchat right now, or do you have any other traffic sources currently?
Um, my main source is from Snapchat. Yeah,
Okay,
from
cool. So if that's the one you want to focus on, you can probably run ads to your Snapchat to get people to follow on Snapchat. So how you do that is I would start with Traffic Junkie and you'd make banner ads. You'd kind of showcase the content that you'd be having on Snapchat, and that's free. So you're like, hey, add me on Snapchat. People haven't seen an ad like that probably hardly ever, and so it would definitely stand out. You could
yeah.
target. Is it for your girl or for you?
For my
Snapchat.
girl.
Okay. So you target males who are on Traffic Junkie. Obviously, the site's on Traffic Junkie, like Pornhub and stuff.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, you just go really broad with it. If you'd want, is she a type of, does she gear towards a type of fetish? Because you can target that in keywords if you want,
Yeah.
or you can go broad. Yeah.
Yeah, she would do. She would really do anything, honestly. Like she does. Like she would do fetishes, like all that, bro.
Nice,
Yeah.
bro. Yeah, so in that case, I would go broad with it because if you target a keyword, it's gonna cost quite a bit more. So, but sometimes you have to if it's like specific fetishes like feet or something. So
Yeah.
yeah. Anyway, yeah, and you said you want to do affiliate marketing as well, right?
Well, like what's like the difference? Like, is it the same thing? I just want like a better idea, you know. I'm like,
I wouldn't say it's the same thing, but it's an extra monetization, another way to make money. So
so
when you,
basically, how I'm thinking of all this is that, like, every, if I'm not wrong, every click, like once they click on the ad, I earn money. Is that how it works?
it's it's actually just on average. So let's say you spend $1,000 on ads, you make back, let's say just 3,000, for example. Um, and let's say you got 2,000 clicks, we'll just say. So you divide the total you made by how many clicks you got. That's on average how much money you made per click. So essentially, you are making money per click because you will get conversions if it's a good offer.
Right.
And
I was trying to test it last night. I think, I don't know, but the site's kind of confusing me. Track revenue. I put in one of the links, and I tested it. Like, I clicked on the link with another device, and I don't see any like money pop up. Like, is that how it works, or is it like?
you click the link, didn't see any money pop up. I'm
Yeah,
confused.
aren't they supposed to pay you like per click you get on that link?
When you're sending enough traffic, you can get earnings from back button redirects and pop under traffic, but that's just a little bit of money. And especially when you run a lot of volume, you will make quite a bit from that.
Hmm.
But when you're sending traffic to an offer, you need enough traffic and persuasion and marketing around the offer where people will actually convert on it. That's when you're going to make money. So, how many people are currently on the Snapchat? So we know how much volume you have currently. You can make
So
money with.
so I run this program on my computer. Well, like I use Tinder to advertise the Snapchat, and per day I could get a couple hundred ads, maybe more.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's like the main. Okay, so I think Tinder's a great traffic source, and people are adding her on Snapchat from that. How many people do you have on the Snapchat? Just a ballpark number.
Well, recently the Snapchat I was using just got banned. It probably had around at least 7,000 people. But
that's weird that Snapchat banned. Doesn't make sense. Dang it.
Yeah, because of adult content or something. Like, I don't know. It was up for a while though. It's just I made a new account, so I'm starting fresh.
Yeah. Tinder accounts can get banned, but Snapchat, that's a big surprise that happened. If you want to keep going the Snapchat route, go the Snapchat route. But if your girl if she makes TikToks, that's very effective nowadays. YouTube Shorts can be effective, and doing Instagram. So those are alternatives. You can still do Snapchat. But anyway, if you run ads sending people to, let's say, the TikTok or especially YouTube Shorts, because that could be even better, or just the Instagram. Instagram showcases better than even Snapchat, because Snapchat can be daily stories, but you can have a whole entire catalog of content on Instagram. So if you send traffic to Instagram and then from Instagram to OnlyFans, that can be very effective. Like really.
So
yeah.
You're saying you think that Instagram's more effective than Snapchat?
Yeah, because it will show more images, videos all at once that people can see. Then they can make a decision right there. And
right.
Business card, and it's you would treat your Instagram like it would actually almost be like collecting an email list essentially, because people follow. It's just like Snapchat, but it's a really good pre-sale page for your OnlyFans and any other affiliate offers you want to promote over time. Don't direct link to affiliate offers in this case. Make sure you have a landing page in between, because these social traffic sources don't like these offers, obviously, so you just need to have a bridge page in that case. And you can promote them anytime you want. Yeah. I think that's honestly the way to go, bro. So go all in on these free content sites. And you get organic traffic and grow an organic audience, and you can boost everything with paid ads. That's how and it's cheap. It's so cheap for paid ads.
So can you show me how to navigate crack revenue? Because I just just really, it's like kind of confusing to me, seeing everything at once.
Yeah, so I have a full in-depth tutorial for free on the YouTube channel. I just type in crack revenue on my channel, just search it, and you'll find probably 2 tutorials where I just explain, how to do it way more in depth, where I put time into preparing for that video, I think. So it'll explain better than if I talk about it right now, but this is just a 10-minute call, so anyway. Do you have any other questions other than that? Because you'll be able to have that question answered inside the tutorials.
So just explain again. I choose an offer, and I basically just copy that link and then have people fill it out, correct?
Yeah, so in this case, now I think of it, for the offers you want to pick on crack revenue, you kind of want to gear it towards she's recommending these offers. That's how you'd want to gear it. So if she promotes cam offers, she could say, this is one of my favorite cam sites. I'm going to be on this cam site. Go sign up. So cam sites can be very effective. She could promote dating sites. She could say, I love this dating site, whatever it is. There's a lot of different choices.
Right. Do you happen to know why, I didn't earn money though? Because I clicked on my own link and I was promoting chat roulette, whatever.
Yeah. It sounds like you think if you click on it, you'll make money instantly, but people have to convert on the offer.
So they have to sign up in order for me to make money.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh.
Yeah, and because they need to make money, so they need people signing up, not just click. So, yeah.
Right. And signing up is just an account, or they have to put in their like credit card, everything?
It depends on the offer. Pay per sale, if it says PPS for the offer, that means people have to put in their credit card information. So the lower the payout, it's usually a lead gen offer, which is really easy to convert on.
Okay.
So,
And
yeah.
all right. I'll give it a try, but this is definitely like potential, right? Like to make a lot.
Oh, yeah. For sure. Like it just comes down to when she makes content, how people respond to it, and that can kind of determine the size
But
of.
would she be able to convert herself like onto the campsite, or it's not actually gonna be her, right? Like,
I mean, she could sign up through an affiliate link for the campsite and make a few bucks, but you'd really want to have an audience and promote these offers daily if you want, and weekly, stuff like that. But you're gonna make sure that she stays consistent with content. That's how you make the most money, and grow an audience in this case of what you're gonna do. So just talk with her and make sure that she is down to, continuously make content, and it could become a big income stream,
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah, but that's probably an obvious thing that you already
What would you say is the best offer right now to do?
There's a lot of them are good. I would say since you're gonna go kind of grow an audience route and free traffic, organic, any offer is good. That's one of the top offers. You promote those. If you do paid traffic, people have kind of already converted, so it can mess with, your earnings because it's not new. And so because you're doing free traffic in a way, and you're going to boost your content, you can promote offers forever, and all of them can do well. The more traffic you have at your disposal in a way, like an audience, you can promote any offer and make money as long as it's a big enough audience,
All right. One last question. I know this is just 10 minutes. So I see it says SOIDOI, like 3, like gives like the price. What is that?
Okay, so single opt-in and double opt-in. Double opt-in means they have to like confirm their email. Single opt-in means they just sign up with just their email and that's it. They don't have to confirm their email or anything to get a conversion for you. So
can you say that one? I'm gonna write it down real quick. So DOI means.
So single opt-ins are easier, and double opt-ins are just another extra step for them to be a conversion. So double opt-in means they confirm their email address after they sign up. And single opt-in means they just sign up. So yeah.
All right, I just wrote that down. All right, I get it. And those are the only terms, or there's more terms, right? Like how many more terms are there?
There's pay per sale, so PPS, pay per sale offers. Those are just people kind of buy through your link, and that's when you get conversion. So there's really only 3 different ones.
So what would you say is good for me again to do?
If you already have an audience, like you're going to build with her, I would say all these offers will do great. But the easiest offers to convert, they are just single opt-in offers, just lead gen, which means just making leads. Yeah. So yeah, those are the easiest. But where you'll make the most money is promoting pay per sale offers. Some pay out like 200 around there, so that's good.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna look into this. We'll stay in touch, bro. I'm gonna do this myself and see what I could do with it, and then I'll touch base with you again.
All right, bet, bro. It's been a good call. I look forward if we do party, dude. That's it.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Hey, have a good one, bro. Take care. Peace.